Good day everyone, I'm James Minig H. Ubay. So today I'll be discussing multiplicative inverse in modular arithmetic. What is multiplicative inverse in modulo? The multiplicative number of a number in modular arithmetic is another number b such that. This means that when you multiply a by b, the result is congruent to 1 when divided by m. So that means when you multiply a and b and divided by m, the answer should be 1 or the remainder 1. So now we have the problem number 1. So the problem number 1 is cryptography. Alice is developing a secure communication system that uses a key of 7 modulo 26. To ensure she can decode her messages, she needs to find the multiplicative inverse of 7 modulo 26. What is the inverse? So the given is 7 modulo 26. So we should put the x here. So in order to get the x, the number of x should less than 26. So for example, we have, let's start with 11. So 7 times 11 equals to
27.
77. So 77 over 26. So 77 divided by 26 equals to 2. So 2 times 26 equals to 52. So still not the inverse. So next is 12. 12 divided by 7. So
7 divided by
7 divided by 12 is
7 times 12, di ba na?
7 times 12 is equals to 84.
84.
So 84. So 26. So 84 divided by 26 is 3. So 3 times 26 equals 78. So still not the inverse. So So next is 13. So 7 times 13 is equals to 91. So 86. So 91 divided by 26 is 3. So 3 times 26 is 78. So still not the inverse. So next is 14. So 7 times 14 is equals to 98. And 98 divided by 26 is 3. And 3 times 26 is 78. So still not the inverse. So the last one is 15. The last one is 15. So 7 times 15 is 105. So 105 divided by 26 is 4. Then 4 times 26 is 104. So you can get the remainder 1. So the inverse of 7 modulo 26 is 15. So x is, the value of x is 15. So have a problem number 2. So, game score calculation. In a competitive game, a player scores 9 points. To determine the multiplier, they need to use to reduce their score to exactly 1 point under modulo 11. What is the multiplicative inverse of 9 modulo 11? So, as you can see here, the given is 9 modulo 11. So let's try 9 times 4. So 9 times 4
36.
36. So 11.
3.
36 divided by 11 is 3. So 3 times 11 is 33 equals to 3. So it's still not the inverse. So next is 5. So 9 times 5 is 45. So 11. So 45 divided by 11 is 4. 4 times 11 is 44. So we can get the remainder of 1. So the value of x is equals to 5. So the multiplicative inverse of 9 modulo 11 is equals to 5. So 5. Now we have the problem number 3. So resource allocation. A factory produces 12 units of a product and needs to distribute them evenly among 5 teams. To calculate how many items each team should receive to have exactly 1 item allocated, what is the multiplicative inverse of 2 modulo 5? So let's start with 1. So 2 times 1 is obviously 2. 5. So still not inverse. So next is 2. 2 times 2 is 4 or 5. So still not inverse. And the last is 3. 3 times 2. 6. So 5. So 6 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. So we can get the remainder of 1. So the value of x is equals to 3. So the multiplicative inverse of 2 modulo 5 is equals to x equals to 3. So now we have the problem number 4, financial transactions. John has a debt of $4 and wants to find out how much he needs to multiply by 2 effectively settle his debt to $1 under modulo 7. What is the multiplicative inverse of 4 modulo 7? So we have a 4x equivalent to 1 modulo 7. So let's start with 1. So 4 times 1 is 4 over 7. So still not the inverse. So next is, let's try 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 7. So 8 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. So here we can get the remainder 1. So the value of x is equals to 2. So the multiplicative inverse of 4 modulo 7 is 2. So now we have a problem number 5. So the problem number 5 is digital signatures. In a digital signatures scheme, a user needs to verify their signature using a signing key of 5 to 30. To do this, they must find the multiplicative inverse of 5 modulo 13. So what is the inverse? So now, first let's try 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. So 30. So 30 divided by 30 is 2. 2 times 30 is 26. So still not the inverse. So next is 7. Let's try 7. So 5 times 7 is 35. 30. So 35 divided by 13 is 2. 2 times 13 is 56. So it's still not the inverse. So let's try 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. So 14 divided by 13 is 3. Then 3 times 13 is 39. So now we can get the remaining one, the remainder one. So the value of x is equals to 8. So the multiplicative inverse of 5 modulo 13 is 8. So the answer is 8. So now we have the problem number 6. Inventory management. So a store has 15 items that it wants to arrange in group of 4 to ensure they can achieve a configuration where exactly one item remains ungroup. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 4 modulo 15? So here we have 4 and 5. So let's start with number 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So put the so 14. So 16 divided by 15 is 1. 1 times 15 is 15. So the answer is, you can get the remainder number 1. So x is equals to 4. So the multiplicative inverse of 4 modulo 15 is equals to 4. The answer is 4. So now we have the problem number 7, recipe adjustment. A chef is modifying a recipe that requires 6 tablespoons of sugar. To find out how many tablespoons they should use to achieve a target sweetness of 1 tablespoon under modulo 8. What is the multiplicative inverse of 6 modulo 8? So now we have number 6. So the given is 6 modulo 8. So if we multiply the number of x to 6, then divided by 8, the answer is, we can get the remainder 1. So the answer is none. So now we have the problem number 8. So network connections. In a computer network, each computer can connect to 3 other computers. To find the connection needed to reach one specific computer under modulo 10, what is the multiplicative inverse of 3 modulo 10? So here we have 6 and 7. So let's start with number 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. So number 10. So 18 divided by 10 is 1. So 1 times 10 is 10. So you can get the remainder 1. So next is number 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. 21 divided by 10 is 2. 2 times 10 is 20. So now we can get the remainder 1. So the multiplicative inverse of 3 modulo 6 is equals to 7. So x is equals to 7. So the multiplicative inverse of 3 modulo 7 is equals to 7. The answer is 7.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
So now we have the problem number 9. So music notes. A musician is working with a musical scale represented with 12. If they play a note represented by 7 and 1 to 5, the inverse note will return to the tonic, the root notes. What is the multiplicative inverse of 7 with 12? So now we have 6 and 7. So let's try 6. So 7 times 6 is equals to 42. And 12. So 42 divided by 12 is equals to 3. 3 times 12 is equals to 36. And still not the remainder part. So 7 times 7, 49. So 49 divided by 12 is 4. And 4 times 12 is 48. So now we can get the remainder 1. So the multiplicative inverse of 7 modulo 12 is equals to 7. So x times 7. So x, the value of x is equals to 7. So the multiplicative inverse of 7 modulo 12 is equals to 7. So the answer is 7. So now we have the last problem. Problem number 10. So project scheduling. A project manager has 9 tasks to assign to 5 team members. To find the optimal distribution that allows exactly 1 task to remain unassigned, what is the multiplicative inverse of 4 modulo 5? So now we have 3 and 4. So let's try 3 first. So 4 times 3 is 12. 5. So 12 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So still not the remainder 1. So next is 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 divided by 5 is 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. So now we can get the remainder of 1. So the multiplicative inverse